I fear. As I'm sitting on my ones and I realize all I fear is the gods. When my heart nearly stops, that my punishment. Please forgive me for my sins. Please forgive me.
Gods. Look, now death smiles at us all a man can do is smile back, and that one's from Marcus Aurelius. Plus I'm commander of the armies of the north, so that makes me a Maximus Decimus Meridius, heir to an empire. I thank Apollo for my lyrical abilities. When I ask Siri for my net worth, it needs updating. And if the picture's in your mind, is it still a painting? Now walk with me on this journey to see if the gates are pearly as I climb the mountain. If Jesus turned the water into wine, does that mean I can get intoxicated drinking from the fountain? Quiet, the gods are talking. And is it heaven sent tears as the rain drops out of grey clouds? Or could it be Jupiter, god of the skies, infuriated as the thunderbolts strike down? And if he's his god, does it mean that it's not mine? And if I've not read the scriptures, does it mean I'm not trying? I know a man that reads the Bible and he knows it line for line, but used a concrete slab to break another man's spine. Now I couldn't tell you the exact weapon, let's just say a 9, but I know he took a man's life, sucked the soul out of him like a vampire. Now that's blasphemous, like fornication with another man's wife. Why do I know these things? And please believe me when I tell you that I wouldn't share a story if it wasn't true. Shells on the ground like a 21 gun salute. And would we still pray to the skies if they wasn't blue? There's no fear in me, and I know my enemies are hearing me. What we do in life echoes in eternity. That's why everybody's nervous out in purgatory. Please, bear with me as I ask for the forgiveness of the gods. I've been a savage and a dog. Yeah, I've wasted hours on the clock, and if there is an inferno, I pray that I don't drop. And I say, sinner, 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 man. And I was in them city streets in a sinner gang, and now I'm in the cinema just looking at myself, sitting at the back, popcorn in my hands, and I get silly, silly, silly with my dreams. But I believe the universe will give me what I need. I'm fucking with the law of attraction and Godspeed. When Ray Winston answered the door, I couldn't breathe, and I got millies, millies, millies in my bank. Do I put sharks? Do I put piranhas in the tank? Do I buy it for the land or cause a legend had it first? Drinking these spirits, doing nothing for my thirst. And I say, bad boy, man, I have fear. As I'm sitting on my ones, thinking back to all the knives and the guns. Back when I used to ride with the dons, when the gladiators stood strong. Think of all the battles that we won, and I say, bad boy, man, I have fear. As I'm sitting on my ones and I realize all I fear is the gods. When my heart nearly stopped, was that my punishment? Please forgive me for my sins. Please forgive me, I say, bad boy, man, I have fear. 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 Please forgive me for my sins. I say, bad boy, man, I have fear. 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 Please forgive me for my sins. Bad boy, man, I have fear. 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 Bad boy, man, I have fear.
And by the way, Carlyle said, music is the speech of angels.
In the meantime, man, I've been acting a fool. Small chat with my balls, you know I hit that at the back of the school. Just in case them man try hop in the gate, ain't rocking it naked. Chasing that popular status. True say if I drop him, I'm famous. I know it's wrong and it's dangerous, but I can't show him I'm shook, man, 30. Blaming them youths that jerked me. Michael Jordan, I took that personally. As a youth that hurts, so somebody's son's gotta feel this pain. I know I'm still holding a grudge, I know that it's done, but it's still the game. Life just feels like a mess right now, just know it gets tiring, cuz man are retiring ops, I can't get got by the firing squad. I stay far from the stress, that shit just sets my anxiety off. I can't wait till we get out the ends and say that we finally bust. Life just feels like a mess right now, just know it gets tiring, cuz man are retiring ops, I can't get got by the firing squad. I stay far from the stress, that shit just sets my anxiety off. I can't wait till we get out the ends and say that we finally bust. Yeah, I was like 14 when I took me the L. Young black boys at the bus stop, not in the rush, was looking at girls. Minding my own damn business, but in the distance when I've been plotting. Props saw me as a victim, fought on the quick thing, fam, let's rob him. Then I see him approach, you and your brody, give me your phones. So his knife was a little exposed, I thought if I fired then he slit in my throat. As a youth that hurts, so somebody's son gotta feel this pain. I know I'm still holding a grudge, I know that it's done but it's still the game. Life just feels like a mess right now, just know it gets tiring cuz man are retiring ops, I can't get got by the firing squad. So we got our compounds, we got a heavy cut, medium cut and your light cut. I'm gonna read the paint with the paint depth reader. I'm gonna use my paint depth reader to measure the paint, get an overall reading, see if there's been any paint. Now I know for a fact there has been paint on the front bumpers, side skirts and a few other bits. Now the front bumpers and side skirts I can't measure them, so I'm gonna have to play it by ear, go in a very light and see what I can do. I've worked on jag paint before, so the heavy cut is out of the question. The paint is just too soft. Medium cut will be used for the deeper scratches, and then the light cut will be my go-to for the overall. I might mix a dollop of this with this, just seeing what's what. And the go-to for me is going to be a yellow pad, possibly move down to a white pad as the thing goes on. Oh, I need to stop yapping and just crack on. Bash.
Who's inside? Hold on.
So rolled up and I might have a motive. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling. So rolled up and I might have a motive. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling.
I ain't wasting time, work, I'm not to the state of mind. Tunes don't lag, man, I've been online. Go well like cheese and wine, best start of the recent times. Pepper one beat, no sleep, man, I've been on frying. The work rate mad, if I'm lying, I'm dying. That's facts, I'm gonna be fine. Look, I've been healthy facts, that's 1-2 tunes that I pay some tax like. Made art for the gods, that's what. No wonder they're shifting packs to the local cats. Facts, no so rats, don't talk too much, just talk on tracks. Don't cut it that man, cut the flow, come next. Just show my day ones from way back. And now I'm getting playback, next thing, man, I'm putting up in a Maybach. No stop, bougie, man, I renovate that. Did the money dance, I can never renegade that. Spice, rum in a glass, and a lemonade that. Bro, came through with a Jenny pack like. Now I'm done in the dance, it's blessed though, gonna get ton at the yard. So roll up and I might have a morning. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling. So roll up and I might have a morning. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling. Couple years to the floor get brushed, I don't wanna hear that stuff. Bouncing on ones and twos, ain't no thing new. Ain't really tryna be like you. 140 back to back shelling. Place get bouncy, check the boys setting. 10 drinks deep, man, I might not get in. Shit, now the mumsy's belling. Shit, now the runs be smelling. What's next, man, I ain't no telling. Part from the tunes them selling. Booth get deaded, part from the booth get blessed. Yes, new scene, can I make some mess? Can't stop, can I get no rest? 16 but 16 come too fresh. Since 016, man, I did get pressed. And now I'm getting playback, next thing, man, I'm putting up in a Maybach. No stop, bougie, man, I renovate that. Did the money dance, I can never renegade that. Spice, rum in a glass, man, a lemonade that. Bro, came through with a Jenny pack like. Now I'm done in the dance, it's blessed though, gonna get ton at the yard.
So rolled up and I might have a motive. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling. So rolled up and I might have a motive. East side for man be rolling. 3-5 in a house that's pouring. Ain't no dead thing we're rolling.
Fuck, that was graft.